Hey there, Dan again. Great seeing you for the free prompting bootcamp part 2. Let's start with long explanations are tiring and slow. Today, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT think privately and return a clean, confident answer. Short answers, smart answers. Why long step-by-step can fail. When you force explain every step, you often get rambling, tiny mistakes buried in walls of text, extra time to read and check. A better strategy is to ask ChatGPT to think deeply and show briefly the core pattern. Say this up front. Use a private scratchpad to reason step by step. Do not include the scratchpad in your reply. If something's unclear, ask up to 2 quick questions first. Return only the final answer in the format I ask for. Then add your role, task, context, constraints, output from part 1. Make answers easy to trust. Idea in plain words. Tell ChatGPT to put its answer into a small, strict shape or container. Think of it like giving the model 3 tiny boxes to fill, nothing more. That keeps replies short, scannable, and easy to double-check. Now I shall give 3 samples for math and logic, decision and recommendation, and for research. 1. Math and logic. What the boxes mean. Final answer, just the result with unit if needed. And checks, 1 to 3 key numbers used to get the result. No long steps, no essays. Copy-paste format. Final answer, apply unit if needed. Checks, 2 to 3 key numbers only. No full steps. Example filled. Question. A $50 item has a 15% discount, then 8% tax applied after the discount. What's the total? Final answer, $45.90. Checks, discount equals $7.50, subtotal equals $42.50, tax 8%, yield $3.40. Short, verifiable, no hidden math wall. 2. Decision and recommendation. What the boxes mean. Final recommendation, 1 clear sentence, do X. Y, 2 bullets that tie back to goals constraints. Risk assumption, 1 bullet so you're not blindsided later. Copy-paste format. Final recommendation. Y, answer in bullets. Risk assumption. Example filled. Question. Pick a tool for weekly team check-ins. Tool A or Tool B. Final recommendation. Choose Tool B for weekly check-ins. Why? Built-in agendas and action items reduce prep time. Integrates with our calendar so invites and notes sync automatically. Risk assumption. If the free tier limits recordings, we may need the mid-tier plan. Crisp choice, quick reasons, 1 realistic caveat. 3. Research, factual topics. What the boxes mean. Answer, a short neutral summary, no fluff, 200 words. And sources, 3 to 5 reputable items, titles or links. Confidence, your honest confidence level, low, medium, high. Copy-paste format. Answer, 150, 200 words, concise and neutral. Sources, 3-5. Links. Confidence, medium, high. Example filled with placeholder sources. Question. What are common benefits and trade-offs of remote work 2019 to 2024? Answer. Remote work commonly improves individual focus time and reduces commuting costs, and many teams report wider access to talent. Trade-offs include weaker spontaneous collaboration, onboarding challenges for new hires, and time zone friction on distributed teams. Outcomes vary by role. Deep work roles often see productivity gains, while highly interdependent roles may need extra structure, clear handoffs, shared hours. Hybrid schedules plus written norms, docs first, meeting light core hours, tend to balance flexibility with coordination. Sources 3-5. Industry Survey on Remote Productivity 2023. Academic Review on Distributed Teams 2022. Company Report on Hybrid Norms, 2024. Confidence, medium. Tip. Replace placeholders with your real sources when you use it. Why this works. Quick recap. You decide the shape first. The model just fills it. Review time drops because there's nothing extra to wade through. You still get enough to verify, key numbers, sources, risks, without the model dumping its whole thought process. 3 ready-to-use prompts. Tell ChatGPT exactly this. Math, logic, role, act as a math tutor. Task, compute, describe the question or problem. Constraints, use a private scratchpad to reason, but do not show it in steps. Output, return answers in this format only. Final answer, number plus unit if needed. Checks, 2 to 3 key numbers only. No full steps. If anything is unclear, ask one quick question first. Decision recommendation. Role. Act as a senior strategy consultant. Task. Recommend one option for describe the decision to be made. Constraints. Private scratchpad. No chain of thought in reply. Think privately. Do not reveal your steps. Output. Return answers in this format only. Final recommendation. Why? Answer in bullets. Risk assumption. Next step. One action. If info is missing, ask up to 2 clarifying questions first. Research. Role. Act as an analyst. Task. Summarize topic for audience. Constraints. Private scratchpad. Cite 3 to 5 reputable sources. Reason privately. Do not show your chain of thought. Cite reputable sources. Output. Return answers in this format only. Answer. 150-200 words, concise and neutral. Sources 3-5 or links. Confidence high, medium or high. If sources conflict, noted in the answer briefly. 3 tips. Checks in practice. 1. Bulletproof mode. High stakes self-check. When stakes are high, client decks, exec updates, public posts. Add. Run a private self-check for logic consistency, math citation errors. Format. Tone constraints. If a check fails, fix it before replying. Return only the final answer in the requested format. 2. Guardrails, pitfalls and quick fixes. Common pitfalls and cures. And verbose, add return only and a short format. Ambiguous, invite 1-2 clarifying questions first. Unverifiable, require sources, tests or key numbers. Off tone, set role and tone in constraints. 3. A 60-second practice, hands-on. Pick math, code, or research. Paste the matching prompt. Run it. Notice, shorter answers, fewer errors, faster reviews. And that's the whole point. Nice work. In part 3, we'll teach the model your exact style using 1 to 3 tiny examples. Consistent tone, consistent structure. See you soon. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Warmest greetings from Dan.